You ready to hang out? I've got a new box to open up with you. I realize that I speak very softly, so I'm very sorry. I'm trying to put up the volume as much as possible, but it feels like you end up hearing more of the background noise than you end up hearing me. So I am going to do my best. Okay. So obviously, I don't do this as a job, so I'm not exactly professional. So sorry if you were expecting like an art influencer. This is not the place. I'm just some random weirdo on the internet. Okay, let's find out what we got today. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, pen sketching. I used to be pretty okay at this. Wow. That is so pretty. That is so beautiful. I love sea turtles. Congratulations to Holly B Calligraphy for winning last month's contest. I should probably do that someday. Maybe, baby. I'm just kidding. Anyway, yes! More Stonehenge. They make really good paper, okay? I think some of or all of the previous papers have been from them as well. And I like paper. It's been really good paper. I love this. I love this color. I don't get to do art on this type of color very often. So, anyway. What is this? This is so pretty. This is so pretty. I haven't had this before. I haven't had one of these before. This is so pretty. This makes me happy. Okay, moving on. Ooh. Well, might as well test it out. That is smooth. Yoshi, did I wake you up? I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Faber-Castell. Don't make fun of my pronunciation. Wait, is that green? It's green. I think it's green. Or it's green. It's... I love this. Made in Japan. You gotta love Japan. I'm a sucker for white pens. Okay. That's right. It's a pen sketching box. They're all gonna be pens. Ah, they're so pretty. Okay. Pink. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. That is beautiful! Oh my god! What else is in here? Ooh. I like zebras. Zebra Sarasso clip. Okay. Ooh. You don't need that anymore. Okay. Yellow. Ew. I like this. I'm gonna use this as a bookmark. Okay, I love this. I'm gonna leave it in there for a second. What else? Cute. Is that it? That is it. This is amazing. I love this. I am a big fan of this box. Something about a smooth pen. I love. Yes. Okay. Calm down. I get too excited, I guess. I'm too expressive. Get out of here. This is part of the box. I get too excited sometimes. Ta-da! Make it beautiful for the camera. Let me be, okay? Let me be. Ever since I was little. Ever since I was little, I've always been cringy. And you know what? After all these years, I gotta say, I still am. So what? And so what? Okay, that was such a slow start. I don't look at anything beforehand. I kind of saw the thumbnail. I don't even remember. I kind of saw the thumbnail for the YouTube video. But I'm like, I don't look at anything before I open these. Usually. I think last month was an exception. But I'm like, whatever. I was like, whatever. Okay. Now what? Now what? This is what they did. Do I want to do the same thing? Not really, no. I kind of want to... Okay, let me think back. What would teenage me have done with this? First of all, there's the herb. Get out of here. Get out of there. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm getting ideas. And what do I want to do? Oh. I know what I'm going to do. It's like, first things first. No. I'm going to use you. Yeah. Okay. So first things first. This, I swear, is like a canon event. So, let's just go for it. Dude, why did I get so nervous? Dude, like, look. I'm shaking. I think I woke him up. I think I woke him up. No. Yeah, no. Let me. Dude, why am I so nervous? Just do it. I've done this millions of times. Why did I get so nervous? Like, don't get so... Why am I so nervous. Okay, it's morning, and I'm kind of doing this quickly before going to work, because I have a full-time job that barely pays a thing. Bro, like, I was so excited when I got this job, and I've been so disappointed ever since like the beginning of the year. I'm like, but like, I'm thankful. I'm thankful. I've learned a lot. I've grown a lot. Great experience. Shoot, man. Kind of feels like the world is falling apart around me while I'm trying to get my shit together. Like, bro, give me, like, let me rest, bro. Like, let me get my feet under me before you throw something else my way, you know? But no, just me. Okay. I had a friend. I love her so much. I haven't talked to her in a while. I hope she's doing good. I have actually more than one friend, but this one in particular I always think about when I think of blue eyes. She has beautiful eyes. Oh my gosh. Beautiful face too. I mean, gorgeous all around. But like, when I think of her and I think about her beauty, the thing that always draws like my attention are her eyes. She's absolutely beautiful. I remember had another friend like, oh yeah, I remember her. I haven't talked to her in a while. And my friend goes, oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. Like, I wonder why she never became a model. In my head, I was like, I would have never said that out loud first, but same. I love it when people are able to admire other people's beauty without jealousy or envy or like a backhanded compliment. Like that is so unnecessary. Like, if you don't like someone, don't pretend. Like, own up to it and just be like, I don't like it. Point blank, period. But whatever. Some people like being two-faced. Some people like being one way in front of you and another way behind your back. And it's like, damn, mama, like, you put in, am I really on your mind that much? Like, aren't you exhausted? Double life. Oh, have you seen the Hannah Montana anniversary thingamajig? I'm like, even she knew it was exhausting to be double life. I'm like, okay, you think about me that much, okay. But whatever. This is awful. Like, you would look at this and be like, this person has never drawn an eye before. And I've drawn many, many eyes. But what is wrong with me? I don't know. I got nervous. I got stage fright. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, I got in my head. I got thinking about it too much. How did that song go? Don't think about it too much, too much. I don't know. For someone who listens to music a lot, I'm not very good at remembering lyrics or titles or name of artists. The name of the artists I always remember are the ones that are obnoxiously everywhere. And people just will not shut up about them, and so you have no choice but to learn their names and be like, okay, you annoy me. It's like, do I learn your name when you annoy the hell out of me? Yeah, I guess so. That's how it works around here. Oh, I remember you. Really? Yeah, you annoyed the shit out of me. Congratulations on your nth award. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Don't bite my head off. But yeah. Let's give you a little more liner. Oops. What can I say? We're speeding through this. You wanna look happy? You wanna do your cat eye upwards? You gotta be like sad and moody. Down. You gotta be like Cleopatra, smoky and mysterious. Just go straight at it. I don't know. I don't do makeup. So completely ignore what I just said. I have no idea what I'm talking about. But anyway, there is April's unboxing. Bye.
We were sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names?